Hi, Troy. Hi, thank you, D. I see, thank you for sending. I see you don't want butterfly for life show, baby. I see. I see you don't want butterfly for live show. I see, baby. I see. Butterfly for live show, baby. I see. I see butterfly for live show. Hi, Dragon. I see butterfly for live show. Hi, Kenny got plenty. Hi, Noni Noodles. Hi, Alex. I see, thank you again for sending. Alex, hi. Welcome to my live. Hi, Yung. Welcome to my live. Hi, Alex. Tries to send me butterfly to live show. Butterfly for live show, baby. Hi, Adrian. Adrian, hi. Welcome to my live. I have adaptive. Yes, I see. I'm from Philippines. But my father is Canadian. Hi, bad boy. I see. Where are you from? Are you from United States? I am. I, my father is Canadian. And how about you? Are you from United States? I'm 18 years old, bad boy. Go, guys. Hi, Roy. Hi, Roy, baby. Thank you, I see. Yes. My father is Canadian. I see. Where are you from? I see. Where are you from? Hi, Thunder. Really? How old are you, I see? Hi, Paklang family. Welcome to my live. Thank you, IC. IC, I want panda. Send me panda, IC. I will chat you on WhatsApp. I will send the surprise. IC, send me panda. I will send you surprise on WhatsApp. Hi, Tifu. Yes, I will send you 10 surprise on WhatsApp. You will see my surprise there, babe. Hi, Zeus. Hi, see, let's talk. Guys, comment. Ask me, guys. Come on, ask me. Guys, come on, ask me. Hi, George. Thank you for following Matthew. Hi, A. Welcome to my live. Hi, Rich Me. Hi, Tony P. Hi, Colin. Hi, Ra. Hi, Harley Zozo. Hi, all. Hi, Pachalo. Hi, Dario G. Hi, Kirito. Hi, Alan. Hi, John Steven Mags. Welcome again to my live, baby. Guys, send me panda. Hi, Planet Neptune. I see. Send me panda, baby. I will send you surprise. Send surprise on WhatsApp. Killian Han, ano? Killian Hanley. Hi, Billy Joe Borja. Thank you, IC. IC, send me your WhatsApp. IC, send me your WhatsApp now. I see. Chat me your WhatsApp now, baby. So after my live, I will go chat you. I will send you my surprise. Okay? Do you hear me, IC, babe? I see. Do you hear me right now? I see. Do you hear me right now? Okay. Guys, I see. How old are you? Oh, okay. No problem, I see you. I will be quiet for the live. Hi, Nathan Poy. So, do you have children already? I see. Husband or anything? Are you single? Me too. I'm single. 18 years old single baby. I see. Do you think blonde hair will fit to me? I will try to color my hair like light brown. Do you think it will fit to me? Like light blonde, like light brown. No, I'm not a guy. Really? Okay, I will try again. I see 2 minutes left before I leave the live. Then I will chat you on WhatsApp. I will send you my 10 surprise. I love you. Thank you, baby. Just wait me. 2 minutes left.
Nakita ko na nangyari yun matapos ko yung mag-away. Nag-away din kami dalawa.
Guys, if you want surprise, I just have a cough, baby. Because of using babe. I don't know how I don't know how to say that. Like there's a jelly on my I don't know. Sorry. Like how do you say this, guys? Like there's a jelly on my how do you call this? If you have a cough, you have like a jelly saliva here. In English, yes, on the throat. But the thing that like jelly, like saliva on my throat. Yes, phlegm. I have phlegm because of this. But I can avoid to use this because I love this. Like vapes are addictive. Yes. Oh, phlegm is like pl- here in Philippines, phlegm is we call plema. Plema in Tagalog, but in English it's a phlegm. Thank you. Thank you. I know it.